Hello students, myself Ayushi Tak. I welcome you on Anvira Online School. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 3. Name of this chapter is numbers from 1 to 10. In this chapter we learn about numbers, number from 1 to 10. We learn about numbers in our previous classes, but here we learn that how can we define numbers from our fingers. Let's start with number 1. How can we define number 1 with our finger? Number 1. Next, number 2. Next, number 3. Next, number 4. Next, number 5. Next, number 6. Next, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many fingers in our both hands? 10 fingers. We learn about numbers 1 to 10. Now, do some practice with our exercise. Exercise 3.1. Read the question, count and match. In this question, we have to count the object and match the correct word. We found a number and then you have to match the correct one. Look at the first picture. What you see in the first picture? 6 different types of object and a number with middle of these object. What is this number? Number 1. Now look at the object and count them. First of all, what you see in first box? We see bells. How many bells? Count. 1, 2. 2 bells. Can I match? No. Next, taps. How many taps? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 taps. Can we match? No. Look at the next. What is this? This is balls. How many balls? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. Can we match? No. First, look at the next. Boat. How many boat? 1. Yes, this is our correct object. Now, we have to match boat with number 1. Now, match 1 with boat like this. Now, look at the next question. What is this? First, we found a kite. How many kite? 1. Next, sunflowers. How many sunflowers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 sunflowers. Can we match? No. We have number 2. Next, cooking pots. How many cooking pots? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 cooking pots. Can we match? No. Look at the next picture. What is this? Monkeys. How many monkeys? Let's count. 1, 2. Is it right? We match this. Now we match 2 monkeys with number 2. Just like this. Now look at the next question. Question number 3. What number do you find in this question? Number 3. Now let's count the objects. In first picture, what objects? Sticks. How many sticks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 sticks. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? These are birds. How many birds? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? Watermelon. How many watermelon? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 watermelons. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? Bus. How many buses? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 buses. Now, next picture. What is this? Elephants. How many elephants? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elephants. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? Chariot. How many? 1. Now, which picture will match with number 3? Picture number 1. Sticks. How many sticks? We count sticks. 1, 2 and 3 sticks. We match number 3 with 3 sticks. Now, look at the next question. Question number 4. Which number do you find in this question? Number 4. Now, look at all these objects and count them and match the object which is in number 4. Now, look at the first picture. What is this? This is ferry. How many? 1 ferry. Now, look at the next picture. Alarm clocks. How many alarm clocks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 alarm clocks. Next, lotters. How many lotters? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lotters. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? These are keys. How many keys? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 keys. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? Deepak. How many? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 Deepak. Now, next, cars. How many cars? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars. Now, which picture match to number 4? In which picture we count number 4? In lotters. Lotters are number 4. Now, match number 4 with lotters like this. Now, look at the next question. Question number 5. Which number do you find in this question? We find number 5. Now, let's see the object and count them. Look at the first picture. What is this? Button. How many button? 1. Now, next picture. Fishes. How many fishes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 fishes. Now, next picture. Trumpets. How many trumpets? 1, 2, 3. 3 trumpets. Now, look at the next picture. Turnips. How many turnips? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 turnips. Next, rose. How many roses? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 roses. Now, look at the next picture. Girls. How many girls? 1 and 2. Now, which picture is matched with number 5? Look at the all pictures. Which picture match with number 5? Picture of turnips. Turnips are in number 5. Now, we match number 5 with turnip like this. Now, let's go to our next question. Question number 6. Now, which number do you find in this question? Number 6. Now, let's count the object. First object. What is this? Chairs. How many chairs? Let's count. 1 and 2. 2 chairs. Now, look at the next objects. Umbrellas. How many umbrellas? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 umbrellas. Now, let's go to the next object. What is this? Cold drinks. How many cold drinks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 cold drinks. Now, look at the next object. Pans. How many pans? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 pans. Now, look at the next picture. Logs. How many logs? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 logs. Now, look at the next picture. Arrows. How many arrows? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 arrows. Now, tell me, which object is matched with number 6? Cold drinks. Cold drinks are in number 6. Let's make match cold drinks with number 6. Now, look at the next question. Question number 7. Which number do you find in this question? Number 7. Now, let's count the object and match with number. First object. What is this? Boards. How many boards? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 boards. Now, look at the next picture. Trees. How many trees? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 trees. Now, look at the next picture. Tomato. How many tomatoes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tomatoes. Now, look at the next picture. Carrots. How many carrots? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. Now look at the next picture. Tortoise. How many tortoise? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 tortoise. Now next picture. Bananas. How many bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 bananas. Now tell me which object match with number 7? Bananas. Now match number 7 with 7 bananas. Now look at the next question. Which number do you find in this question? We find number 8. Now let's count the objects. First object, what do you find? Mouse. How many mouse? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mouse. Now look at the next picture. Flowers. How many flowers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. Now look at the next picture. Girls. How many girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 girls. Now look at the next object. Row bananas. How many row bananas? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 bananas. Now next picture. What do you find? Radish. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 radish. Now look at the next picture. Lotus. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lotus. Now which object match with number 8? Bananas. Row bananas are matched with number 8. Now we match number 8 with row bananas. Now look at the next question. Which number do you find in this question? Number 9. Let's count the object which match with number 9. Let's start. Look at the first object. What do you find in this? Drums. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 drums. Now look at the next picture. Stars. How many stars? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 stars. Now look at the next. Shopping bags. How many shopping bags? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 shopping bags. Now look at the next picture. Caps. How many caps? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 caps. Now look at the next picture. What is this? Cars. How many cars? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 cars. Look at the next picture. Trees. How many trees? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 trees. Now tell me which object is matched with number 9? Stars. Stars are in number 9. Now match stars with number 9. Now look at the next question. Which number do you find in this question? We find number 10. Now let's start to count the object. Look at the first picture. Bats. How many bats? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Bats are 7. Now look at the next picture. Birds. How many birds? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. Now look at the next picture. Goats. How many goats? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 goats. Now look at the next picture. What is this? These are horses. Let's count. How many horses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 horses. Now look at the next. Torch. How many torch? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 torch. Now look at the next picture. Bottles. How many bottles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 bottles. Now which object is matched with number 10? Yes, torch. Torches are in number 10. Now match number 10 with torch. We done question A of exercise 3.1. Now let's start question B. First read the question. Count the number of objects in the collection and write in the placeholder. In this question, we find out many objects. You have to count the number of these objects and write down the number in a placeholder which given in this question. Now, look at the first objects. What is this? Cooking pots. How many cooking pots? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 cooking pots. Now write 3 in placeholder. Look at the next picture. Umbrella. How many umbrellas? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 umbrellas. Now write 5 in placeholder. Look at the next picture. What is this? Jug. How many jugs? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jugs. Now write 4 in placeholder. look at the next picture. What is this? This is a boat. How many boat? 1. Now write 1 in placeholder. Look at the next picture. What is this? Watch. How many watches? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 watches. Now write 5 in placeholder. Look at the next. Spoon. How many spoons? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 spoons. Write 7 in placeholder. Now look at the next picture. Sticks. How many sticks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 sticks. Now write 8 in placeholder. Look at the next picture. What is this? Stamps. How many stamps? Let's count. 1 and 2. 2 stamps. Now write number 2 in placeholder. What we learn in this exercise? We learn about numbers and count the object.